What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K. I say K. P, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be giving myself a self cut, you feel me? You feel me? My shit fucked a little bit right now. We ready to hop straight into the first cut. This is my first cut, so I don't need nobody in my ass in the comments, you feel what I'm saying? If I fuck up, it's gonna be on this video. I do good, this shit gonna be on the video, you get what I'm saying? With all that being said, man, ready to hop straight into this video. You saying this POV of me cutting my shit. Got the ring light, so I'm gonna be moving that shit a lot, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, so my clip has died in between the cut, you feel me? But I started on the left side, started fading it. So we got so far, I ain't done yet. But I still gotta, you feel me, line myself up and shit like that. But, you feel me? Once it get sharpened up, I'll let y'all see what it look like. But I'm gonna come back when my clip is charged and then we're gonna finish this shit off. Alright, y'all, so my camera died, but you feel me, we got progress going on right now, you feel me? So what I got so far. Really all I gotta do is hit my back. You feel me? I'm gonna try to do that myself as much as I can. But y'all kind of get the gist of, you know what I'm saying, what I got so far. So for me to make the outro, I don't want my camera to die, so I'm gonna skip to when I'm finished. So see y'all then. Alright y'all, so we back. Stupid. But feel me? Let me know how I look. I'm gonna try to get the back, but you know what I'm saying, I'm holding this shit right now, so. Alright, hopefully y'all can see that shit, you feel me, because I'm not re-recording this shit, but, you feel me, getting to this side, I mean, I could clean that up more, but you feel me, it's my first cut, you feel me, you know what I'm saying, I can low-key brush this shit, let me see. Might as well just show y'all the retwist update, you get what I'm saying? Like, man, y'all ain't get an update in a minute. This is my 4-year, you feel me, 4 year and 2 months. You know what I'm saying, about to be 3 in March. You know what I'm saying, cause I started my shit January of 2020, you feel what I'm saying? But, it's how we looking in the 2 strands, you get what I'm saying? Feel me? Got the side, you feel me? And yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's it for the cut. And man, if y'all enjoyed the video, do that. And we out.